Hi friends, in the last videos we covered very clearly what is a try, catch, finally, throws keywords. So these things we covered. Next, even I discussed about the most valuable, very important question for the interview room. What is the difference between final, finally, finalize? Clear, right? Sir, now the next concept what we have to discuss a bit important for the interview room for day-to-day coding also. What that is customized or user-defined exceptions. Are you getting what is that? Customized or user-defined exceptions, right? Sir, what is the meaning of customized or user-defined exceptions? Very simple, sir. Sometimes to meet our programming requirement, we have to define our own exceptions and we have to raise those exceptions based on our requirement. The exceptions which are defined by programmer, are you getting? Not Java's inbuilt exceptions, right? The exceptions which are defined explicitly by the programmer to meet the programming requirement, those exceptions are by default considered as customized exceptions or user defined exceptions. User means programmer defined exceptions, right? Sir, now you may ask, sir, can you please explain with a small example? Just try to get basic idea and then I will go for executable program. Sir, I want to implement withdraw functionality. Withdraw functionality, right? So if you want to withdraw, how much amount you have to withdraw? We have to specify double amount. Assume that's all. Sir, assume in my account 10,000 balance is there, but I'm trying to withdraw 20,000 rupees. Is it possible? Array account balance is 10,000 only, but I'm trying to withdraw 20,000 rupees. Is it possible or not? No chance at all. Remember this one. The reason is, so how the bank people are going to provide extra money? No chance at all. But by mistake, I may get, I may enjoy. Okay, like I'm trying. Immediately I'm going to get insufficient funds exception. Correct or not? Immediately we will get what? Insufficient funds exception. Okay. Now observe here, if requested amount greater than available balance. If requested amount greater than available balance, then I have to use throw new insufficient funds exception. Insufficient funds exception I have to raise this up. Are you getting? If requested amount greater than balance, throw new insufficient funds exception I have to raise. Do you know? So insufficient funds exception is not a Java's inbuilt exception. Based on my programming requirement, I defined this one. Such type of exception is called okay, user defined or customized exception. Don't ask in which Java package this exception is there. It is not Java's inbuilt exception. To meet our programming requirement, our created exception is what? Insufficient funds exception, which is nothing but customized exception or user defined exception. Everyone can able to understand, right? Have you got the basic idea what the meaning of user defined or customized exception, right? Okay, well, now the next one, sir, very important. Observe carefully. Sir, suppose another example to understand what is the customized exception. Matrimonial website is there, sir. Are you getting? Of course, which is really required for you people. Not for you. Everyone it's required. So I hope you people may upload your profile in the job site. Okay, job seekers especially, Naukri, Monster, Shine, like Times, like have you uploaded your resume in matrimonial sites or not? In job sites anyway you did. Have you uploaded in matrimonial sites or not? Highly recommended. Compulsory you have to upload your profile in the matrimonial site. Getting the job is very easy. Getting the marriage is not that much easy. At the age of 60 years also you can get the job, but at the age of 60 years you won't get the marriage. Take a bit very special care, sir. Sir, assume I want to upload my profile in the matrimonial site. Assume that's all. This is Durga's matrimonial. Okay, Durga's matrimonial. Okay, I developed one web application, Durga's matrimonial site. Here I have to provide so age, next age qualification requirements, and there are multiple. So for user registration sign up purpose, compulsory he has to provide multiple information. At last he has to do submit or otherwise sign up. Okay, sign up. Okay, like now here assume that so my web application can provide support from 18 years to 60 years only. Assume that, sir, within this age limit, within this age range, sir, my application is going to accept, because in India minimum married age should be 18 years, man. Okay, max anyway up to 60 I want to provide support. So for this web application, right, assume, sir, a person trying to register in my site with 99 years. You are getting right? If a person trying to register in the matrimonial site with 99 years, can I accept this request? No. As per my limit, I won't accept. Then what I have to do is I will raise exception saying too young exception. Too young exception. Please wait some more time. Please wait some more time. Definitely you will get best match. Definitely you will get best match. Definitely you will get best match. Observe that. So if a person trying to register with 99 years age, then automatically too young exception. Please wait some more time. Definitely you will get best match. This is the exception I want to raise. Just for kidding purpose. 99 years is not young. Okay, just for kidding. Okay, just I'm using this word, sir. Too young exception. Okay. Similarly, another person trying to register with 14 years age. Are you getting? With 14 years age only, another person trying to register. Then what I have to do is too old exception, because I can't provide support. Too old exception. Your age already crossed marriage age. Your age already crossed marriage age. No chance of getting marriage. No chance of getting marriage. No chance of getting marriage. Like this I want to provide. Okay. So actually for 99 years I want to provide too old, but 14 years I want to provide too young. Just for kidding purpose, reverse messages I'm going to display. Just that's all. Don't think sir is reversing the words, like reversing the exceptions, like no. Sir, now observe a bit very carefully, sir. What is this too young exception, or what is this too old exception? These exceptions are not available in Java based on my programming requirement. I have to define these exceptions. Such type of exceptions are by default considered as what? Customized exceptions or user defined exceptions. Everyone can able to understand, right? Can you please tell what is customized or user defined exception? Can you please spell out what is the customized or user defined exception? The exceptions which are raised, which are defined explicitly by the programmer to meet the programming requirement. Okay, so are called user defined exceptions or customized exceptions. Can you give an example for user defined exception? Insufficient funds exception, too young exception, too old exception. These things are by default considered customized exceptions or user defined exceptions. Clear for all of you, right? If you feel comfortable, I will explain with an example, executable example, so that if any person is asking in the interview room, you should be in a position to give left and right. Clear for all of you, right?